Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Crypto Vision. It's Friday night. We're going into Saturday morning. I'm getting off to a late start. I do apologize. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the top 6 coins tonight. Starting off with the total. We've got a total market cap of 178 bill. We got a 24-hour volume of 43 bill. And Bitcoin dominance is up 52%, which would explain why a lot of your blue chip tokens are going to be red right now, with the exception of Ethereum and Litecoin. Ethereum and Litecoin are doing really well right now, but we'll go ahead and get into that in just a second. We're going to start off with our number 6 coin, EOS. It's got a market cap of 4.948 billion. It's at 546 a coin, and we're down 0.92%. And actually, it looks like Litecoin has jumped ahead of EOS. Cool, but we'll go ahead and take a look at EOS here real quick. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. Take my computer just a second here. Okay. There we go. And your 24-hour chart's looking pretty good for EOS. We had like a little bit of a bounce here. You went up to about 554. Yeah, about 554. Then you retrace back down again to about 546. We'll see what this is back here. We'll call 542 your low for today. And about, let's see, 554 for your high. But just a lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth. Kind of consolidating right now for EOS, but EOS is looking really good. You got a lot of good volume here, a lot of interesting volume, but things are looking really good. Let's go ahead and take a look at your number 5 coin, which will be Litecoin. Litecoin has jumped ahead of EOS. We've got a total market cap of 5.04 billion. We got a price tag of $81.51, and right now we're up 0.59%. And let's take a look at Litecoin's 24-hour chart. Litecoin is holding that resistance of $80. That is our new resistance for Litecoin right now. So I'm very pleased to see that Litecoin is holding that. If we could continue this, we could start to retest the $90 limit. And I really do believe by the end of spring, maybe summer, we'll be in the $100 range, barring a pullback. I really don't foresee anything like that happening. I think the most we could possibly pull back to, if there's like a big pullback, which I wouldn't be a bit surprised happening, but I think your biggest pullback's going to be to maybe 67, maybe retest 70 again. But I'm really kind of hoping that doesn't happen. But the first part of the day, as you can see, was kind of flat for Litecoin. Just a lot of back and forth stuff here. Your low is going to be 80.02, and then you really shot up here to about 82.86, and then you kind of retrace back down again, just a little bit up again, and then down here you kind of went back down to 80.54, and back up to 80. So just a lot of back and forth, a lot of consolidation for Litecoin, but Litecoin is looking really good. You know, things are looking really stable now, knock on wood. But Litecoin's looking good. You got a lot of good volume. As I said, I'm going to call 82.86 your high and 80.52 your low for Litecoin today. If I got that wrong, I do apologize. Let's go ahead and take a look at your next coin, which is going to be Bitcoin Cash. It still holds the number 4 spot. It's got a market cap of 5.284 billion at 297.94 coin, and right now you're down 3.98%. Let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour chart. Let's see, here we go. Okay. Actually, Bitcoin Cash looks like it's been pretty much flat all day. Just a lot of consolidation, about the 300. We got up to about 309.73, and then you kind of retrace down again. So I'm going to call your low for Bitcoin Cash 294.40. And right now you're at about 297. Your high, let's say 309.44. But Bitcoin Cash we're kind of in a consolidation phase. It's still looking pretty stable, looking pretty good. So we'll just go ahead and go on to the next one, which would be XRP. XRP's got a total market cap of $13.922 billion. We're at 33.1 a coin. We're down 2.55%. Let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour chart. Take my computer just a second here. We'll take it just a moment here. Come on. Okay, please don't shut down on me. Let's see. Okay. I'm not sure why it's doing this. It's taking forever. And my screen just went blank. Let's see. I'm going to have to just get into a new server here. I do apologize for that. This computer is all of a sudden acting weird. There we go. Okay, I do apologize for that, guys. Okay, here we go. We finally got it. Okay, with XRP, looks like you got up to about first part of the day was the best part of the day for XRP, 34.2, and your low is going to be about 0.33. So just a lot of consolidation, just like some of the other ones. XRP, you're kind of in a consolidation phase right now. You go up a couple of pennies, you go down a couple of pennies, but you're holding pretty stable. So XRP, I do predict a big move for XRP coming. It's just going to take a little time. But as I've said in the past, I do believe 40 cents is a definite strong possibility. And then we'll move on up to 50 cents and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at your number 2 coin, which will be one of the coins I hold, Ethereum. Ethereum has a market cap of $18.275 billion. We're at $172.87 a coin. We're up 0.61%. And let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour chart. It'll take it just a moment. There we go. Yeah, okay, XRP, Ethereum looks pretty good, actually. We started off pretty choppy here. I'm going to call this right here your pretty much low part of the day. We'll see what this says right here. 170. Say 170. Let's just call 170.75 your low for today. And so far, 175.22. Say 175.28 is going to be your high. So Ethereum is looking really good, guys. We're holding that important $170 range. That's a very big milestone. We need to have something like that to build up on. Once we need to make 170 a new support. And once you start building on that support, I think we're going to see 180 XRP real soon. And then we'll build up enough momentum to push to the $200 level. But I do see $200 Ether coming real soon. But Ethereum is looking really good. So 170.77, let's call that your low. And 175.28 your high. So Ether's looking really good. We got a lot of nice volume. So your number one coin is going to be Bitcoin. And you've got a total market cap of $92.896 billion. We're at $5,262.22 a coin. We're down 0.45%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour. There we go. Your 24-hour looks really actually pretty good. You start at, let's see, this is going to be your low right here. Come on. Your low right here is going to be 5,233.86. Your high around here, 5,313. 5,318.51. So you did pretty good today for Bitcoin. A lot of, just kind of some we went up a little bit, but most of it's just consolidation, guys. We're kind of in a consolidation phase right now, just waiting for the next possible bull run. I think there is a pretty big bull run coming, so we just got to stay tuned. And we're going to see if there's any interesting news. Let's see, ETH price holding uptrend support, could bounce back. Let's take a look at this. Okay, it says here, recently there was a steady rise in Ethereum price above 170 resistance area against the US dollar. The ETH-USD pair extended gains above 175 resistance level and spiked above 176. However, bulls failed to take the price towards 180 level. And recently, the price started a downside correction. The price traded below 172 level and the 23.6% FIB retracement level of the recent leg of 165 low to 176 high. The price spiked below 170 level, 50% FIB retracement of the recent leg to 165 to 176 high, or 175 high. However, the previous resistance levels at 169 to 170 acted as a chart of ETH. So, that's all I'm going to say about that. To make a long story short, your resistance is right now around the 175, I'd say to the 180 level. That's going to be the next test we need to do. So we need to keep buying Ethereum. We need to keep pushing the price up. The only way the price is going to go up is if we keep on buying. Well, guys, I think this is going to do it for Crypto Vision tonight. So I hope you guys have a good Friday and a good Saturday morning. This is Crypto Vision. Peace out.